are you not sitting on your chair? Why are you not sitting on your chair? You sit on your chair. What is that? Juice? What happened to your face? Why is it so dirty? That's not Coco Crunch, that's Mini Crunch. Why don't you sit on your chair? No, 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 no. It doesn't have water. Oh, you put the snacks na. You put the boxes. Bili na. Put them back. Very good. You're very good. Wow, okay. Put it back there. You need to close it. Come on, Mama will help you. I'll close it. Can you drink your water? You drink your water first. Dali na. Where are you going? What are you going to do? Come here. Up. Drink your water. Put it back. Put it back. Dali na. Put it back.
What is that here?
It's okay.
It's here.
That's not lollipop. That's marshmallow barbecue. Is that marshmallow?
It's lollipop.
Oh, it's lollipop.